Today we're gonna be hunting a very elusive bird. This guy's called the terror bird, and I'll just be the one to say it. I'm afraid of what I might find. So first up, we need to get ourselves a weapon. I already have my gun, but I need to get a knife, because you never know when you'll need one. This one looks good for our purposes. Alright, now it's time to start. So I should say that I brought a gun along because you never know what kind of firepower you'll need. I also brought some binoculars, just in case. So let's start out by going up to a good vantage point, because birds, they like high ground, so I think that might be the move. So if we go up here, let's see what we can see. We're up on top. Let's see if we can look around a little bit. Where would I go if I were a bird? Where would I go if I were a bird? Maybe up there, because birds like it up high. That's why they fly around. We need a way to get over. For a ride on the Bird Express. Let's think. What would a bird do? And where would he hide? If I were a bird, I would hide up here. Maybe up on the next floor. I really thought he would be right there. One time, when I was out here hunting for a squirrel, I saw a bird looking through these very windows with a sniper rifle in hand. That sent chills through my spine. It did. Well, there's only one other vantage point that we can use. And it's this. Right here. And we've narrowed it down through process of elimination. The It's gotta be in there. Send out a warning shot. Can't see anything. Let's check the other window. Maybe we should use the binoculars. That's good. Bro. What the fuck is that? There's a silhouette in there. I need to be ready. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bird. Bird. Can we talk this out?
Yes, we can. But first, offering must be made.
Okay, okay, I'll do whatever you want. Okay, okay.
I would like to smoke a cigarette with you.
Okay, okay, okay. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Where the fuck is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where the hell is it? God, no, 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 no. Where are my vapes? Where are my vapes? I should have a vape. I really thought I had one in here. Fuck. No, 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 no. This is not good. Oh.